Hello, you are most welcome. My name is Kandaruko Steven, a first year medical student. Today I would like to take you through how we can compose and write an email. An email is a message you can write to a supervisor, to a family friend, and to your colleagues. So how do we get to an email interface? You can use a Google Chrome as a search engine. So you can click on the Google Chrome, okay? And in the Google Chrome, your email can either be Gmail. Your email account can either be Gmail or can be Yahoo. So for instance, now we are going to use a Gmail. So you click on Gmail, okay? You click on Gmail, and this one will bring for you the interface, the Gmail interface where you are going to compose your email. So your email here. So you click on the compose, and this one will bring you to the new message. This is where you are going to write everything you want to write. So to is where you want to, you put the address of the recipient of your message, okay, or your email. So for instance, if I'm writing to Moses T L at Gmail, okay, at gmail.com. This is my recipient, okay. This is my recipient of my email, okay. If is the so recipient, you can only add him, but if there are people whom you want them to also receive your email, you can click on the carbon copy, which is CC, okay. CC means in addition to Moses, there is also another person who will receive this email. The Moses will be aware that this third party or this third person has also been copied in the email or has received the same email. So in CC or carbon copy, the principal recipient of the email will know that another person has also received the email. Okay, but if we want to send to another third party without the knowledge of the principal recipient, who is Moses in this case, you can click on what? PCC, which means blind carbon copy. This blind carbon copy means this email has been sent to also another third party, but the principal recipient, who is Moses, will not be aware that this third party has been copied. So I hope this difference is very clear. In a carbon copy, okay, in a carbon copy, the principal recipient will be aware that a third person or a third party has been copied. But in the BCC, which is blind carbon copy, the principal recipient of your email will not know that another person has been what? Has been copied. Okay? Has been copied. So you can choose either of them. Okay, you can choose carbon copy, which is CC, or blind carbon copy. Then you come to compose what? You can compose your subject. Subject is always very important because it helps your recipient to understand or to have a better understanding of what your email is all about. So it is always have what? A subject line. So for instance, our subject line can be invitation for a handover party. Handover party. Okay. So here your recipient will know that this email is specifically all about an invitation, okay, for a party. So even if it is mixed with a series or a lot of emails, the subject line will help the recipient to filter the message. Your email from the different or from various emails that could be in the inbox of your recipient by just looking at the subject line. So then you give salutation. You can say dear sir, okay, dear sir. Then you compose what? You compose your email. You compose your message here. Okay, you compose. After composing, then you click send. You click send. That is as brief as we can, as far as sending email is concerned. So that is where I stop.